go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Clean. This is a first on my channel. Yes, a lot of firsts on my channel this month in regards to new brands to me. Absolutely love that. I love discovering. This is the cheaper line. I do see this line, these fragrances, and a lot of fragrance reviewers that are in the TJ Maxx bargain bins, things like that, you know, 20, 30 bucks. I believe that's where this demographic goes. This one called Fresh Linens. I do have 2 or 3 of these cleans in this Frag Flex haul. Always nice to discover. We'll see. Is the motto, you know, the name of the brand, is it all about being clean? Clean, our name is our promise. Okay, so it's simple. Conscience. Clean was inspired by simple concepts to make blah, blah. Okay. Layering, okay. So my first impression already from the brand, it seems like, okay, this is going to be simple, straightforward fragrances that are made for layering. You're going to have to buy 2 or 3 to put them together, or you could put this and layer it with something else. I'm not a layering guy at all, zero. I've always felt like what's in the bottle, perfumers, you know, I see them as art in a bottle. Doesn't matter what it is. Like even this, I feel like it's a disservice of trying to be, you know, the guy that will put everything together. I don't know. That's just me. Everybody's up to their own opinion, entitled to their own thing. But I'm not a blending kind of, you know, put this layering things. No, I'm not into that. So this one called Fresh Linen. So I'm assuming it's going to smell like laundry, maybe. But let's delve into it. Let's see if this one smells like the Fresh Linens. Now, before we get into anything, have you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, much appreciated. Especially if you're interested in this brand from a fragrance reviewer that has a collection like this. You know, I don't mind. There's nothing wrong with TJ Maxx fragrance reviewers. There's nothing wrong with that. We all have our space. But I'm definitely not the description of that. So I'm going to tell you how it is. Now, I love my cheapies though. You know, there is some gems in the cheapie aisle. You just got to dig. You got to look. So let's delve into this one. Let's take a look at the note breakdown first and see what we got. This was released back in 2018, so it has a few years behind it. It's not super old. We got Citrus, Clean Sheet Accord, Rain Lily, and Musk. So not much to this. Nose, Claude Dir. Oh, that's a name I know. Okay. Okay. So they have my interest there. Well, let's see if Claude has done something amazing here. You never know. Let's sniff this one. I like the... Yeah, I wore the yellow shirt thinking that this was going to be yellow, and I'm happy. I didn't know if the bottle was going to be yellow. It is definitely a foggy yellow. It does look like a bargain bin. Like it's got the cap there, right? The cheap cap and the... but they do have, of course, at least the yellow bottle. So let's put it on strip first, then we'll put it on skin and we'll delve into it. But let's sniff this one. Not a bad atomizer. Let's see. Clean, Fresh Linens. Let's go. Smells like nothing. It really isn't doing much here. Okay. Wow. Well, this is, I'm wasting your time. I'm wasting my time. It's definitely clean. Okay. So it smells like nothing. What does it smell like? Well, it smells like something, right? Yeah. It's fresh. It's synthetic. It's musky. A little floral. A little citrusy. And a little watery. It's not strong at all. At all. Like, hello. You cannot overspray this fragrance. I'm calling it now. To me, this doesn't smell like Fresh Linens. It doesn't have that, I don't know, for me, unless you're using a citrusy soap, then maybe. I guess for me, I correlate fresh linens with the smell of lavender, and that might be my area. That, you know, soaps smell like lavender. The most, you know, the most prominent soaps kind of smell like lavender in my area. There's not, you know, there's different, of course, scent profiles, but this is not it. It has like a little mild orangey citrus, a little bit of muskiness, a little bit of floral. Definitely has a soapy quality. It has a watery quality, a little bit of light woods. That's the best you're gonna get out of me. It's got that musky kind of skin, little like the smallest amount of citrus in here. There is no pop. I'm thinking it was yellow. I was thinking the citrus was going to be lemon. It's not. It's more orangey than anything. This is completely gone. It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like the strip. Man. Yeah. So my first impression of Clean as a brand and this scent, if this is, you know, a sign of things to come, I do have 2 more in this Fragflex unboxing, so we'll see what we get out of it. I think the next one is called Classic, so I think it's got a pink border, so I think it's a female one. And then I got a blue one, so I don't know what that one's all about. But honestly, if you want my take, this is a waste of your money, 100%. I don't know, this goes for like, what, 20, 30 bucks at a bargain bin? That's too much. Even at $9.99, like this has to be cleared out at $5.99, and even then you're wasting your money. Save your money. This ain't it. This ain't it at all for me personally. This is for people that don't like fragrances. This is for people that actually hate fragrances. You don't want to smell like anything. This is it. You're putting this on your body, but it really isn't doing anything at all for you. I don't know, maybe I'm having an off day, but this thing is garbage, honestly. You know, and there's bargain bins, and again, I'm not a bargain bin hater. There's fragrances in the bargain bin that are absolutely stunning, male and female. Again, I really appreciate the bargain bin hunters, the ones that do their research, that go in, you know, every second, third day and try to dig and try to find a jewel. You know, there's a skill to it, and I appreciate that. But for me, this is one of those that just keep it in the bargain bin. And no, this is nothing. This is nothing. There's nothing here. This is you know, this will be the end of it for me on my channel. There's no way I'm going to do a full-fledged review on this. It's giving me absolutely nothing. I might revisit it just to make sure. Maybe I'm having an off day. It happens, but no. So if this seems interesting to you, go check it out on fragflex.com. That's where I got it. You can use my code TFG10. You get 10% off site-wide. I would highly suggest not to buy this on Fragflex or anywhere else. Go on Fragflex and maybe find another cheapie and use my code. Yeah. This is an EDP as well. And Clodzier is, bless his heart, a good nose. I wouldn't consider, well, maybe, but this is not his finest work. And again, you can't use a hired gun, right? You can't really, I don't know, you could do better than fresh. Like if somebody's giving me a brief of fresh linens, unless the brief is very specific, give me an orangey thing, give me musky, give me hardly anything. You know, I want it to smell like water. If that's the brief, poor Claude. You know, collect your check, I hear you. But other than that, oof. Yeah. Now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. Good, bad, and the ugly. Again, you don't need to co-sign me. You don't need to bash Clean. You can definitely, this is a new brand to me. You can give me suggestions of the brand, anything that stands out to you personally. If you absolutely love this fragrance, again, no need to attack me personally. However, you can give me your take on the particular fragrance, not only for me, but for people that watch this video, because I'm sure, well, I don't know how many videos there is on fresh linens. This is a brand that has an extensive lineup from what I see. I could be wrong, but it'd be nice to get some videos out on the brand to give you my thoughts on them. So as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. This will make no impression at all. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching YouTube. Have a good one.